I'm YouTubing it. Hi, Uncle Al. Hi, Aunt Marianne. Hi, Jado and Tata. Hi, Aunt Joyce and Uncle George. All the kids, all the cousins, everyone. Where are you, Marco? In the South Pacific? Whoa, you almost got a curve wave. Nana, Papa, Uncle Darren, Aunt Donna. Okay, so you can see why my water bill's huge. It's called the Volcano Splash. I lost you.
Not me. The volcano.
I know it's boring for anybody that's does not have this child as their own. Yep, there's all the water. All right, we'll YouTube you guys again soon. Bye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
This has been the Marco Beaini Show. Presented by you. Sponsored by, what are we sponsoring?
Mom.
Mom or Cheetos?